Next on our ultimate food tour of Zanzibar is the very famous Lukmaan Restaurant, that serves traditional Swahili food. Let's see what we can find. Lukmaan Restaurant, it's probably the most famous restaurant in Zanzibar. All they serve is traditional Swahili food. Spoke to the guy downstairs, he's shown us the whole menu, all the food, very helpful. He's going to put us a plate together or some food together, he says he knows what to do.
Okay, we have some chicken curry. The chicken curry with coconut there. Then this is the banana plantain, also with the coconut. And this is the vegetable curry. The prawns curry. This is the sweet bread. We call it andazing kebab. Around beef with the egg inside there. Yes. Then fish masala, the naan bread. Then this is the sweet rice bowl. I mean a bowl made with a rice. Just total rice. In rice and out rice. But more options here.
Very local, very relaxed atmosphere. Very popular, very full. So let's see what we get.
We have some king prawns, then octopus and the fishes, as you see. Coconut, the peas, I mean the okra soup, the cassava leaves and the sweet potato leaves. Yes, we have some dal, the Rotis, calamari curry with the coconut, the sweet pumpkin, also with the coconut and cardamom, the aubergine, and the last one is the coconut sweet bananas. Take your time, take a look.
Thank you.
Chicken curry, salad with avocado.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the food.
So the waiter has chosen us a few dishes. We've got pilau rice, we've got potato in tomato curry, we've got fresh salad with avocado on, we've got spinach in coconut curry and some okra in coconut curry as well. We've got a chicken in coconut curry and some rotis. I'm very excited to try it. It smells really, really good. That avocado melts in your mouth, it's so creamy. They're grown locally here as well, and when we saw them in the market they are ginormous.
Make sure you try it.
I will.
Yeah.
He's just brought us some hot chili sauce to try, and he said pole pole, which is slowly because it is very hot. That's ridiculously spicy. That is so spicy.
First of all, we're going to go with some of the potato curry. Potatoes nice and soft. So it's just like Lucy said, tomato with spicy also, little, and it's sweet and sour maybe. Definitely some chilli, some garlic, some tomatoes in there. Very nice. Also this pilau rice. That's a little different to Indian pilau. Very tender, very well cooked. I use chicken thigh in there, dripping in sauce. I think he said it's coconut. Can't taste the coconut. Tastes smoke, fire, like grilled chicken. Steaming to some of this chicken with some of the roti in the sauce. That's very nice. That's my favourite so far. So the pilau rice has got some cloves in there, some black pepper, some cardamom, maybe some sesame seeds also. It's really nice. Really good.
Least favourite, a plate of vegetables.
I hate vegetables. So I've got some spinach in there, some okra, I think that's a carrot. Actually really nice. Very spinachy. I think my absolute worst nightmare in a vegetable world is okra. I don't see the problem. It's really nice. Better than green beans and asparagus.
Let's give the spinach a try. The coconut milk is really strong in that. You can taste that over the spinach. I'll try the okra as well. It's not a vegetable I would personally ever choose, but a sick. Oh, they're nice as well in the coconut milk. That chicken curry is super tasty. You can tell the chicken's been griddled or barbecued before it's gone in the curry, so you can taste the smokiness of it.
So I just finished the meal, decided to have one more dish, which is the kingfish fillet. It's really nice. Throw it off the plate. Just gonna go straight on my fingers for a bite. Kind of firm, maybe tuna-y.
Kingfish, straight off the griddle downstairs. That kingfish is really, really nice. It's very juicy, it's soft, it's been griddled, it's got a bit of flavour to it. That's lovely.
So the server guy just put some local grown chilli sauce. Said it, be careful, it's super spicy. Got a little bit of ice left, gonna try it and see. I'm usually okay with spice, so I can't see any problems. Hakuna Matata. A little spicy. Spice coming through now, the heat. Very tasty actually, must be a very yellow chilli. It's okay, a little spicy, so be careful. Cucunut matata, no problem. So Lukmaan Restaurant, worth a visit, definitely is. Food's delicious and fresh.
Yeah, the food was really excellent. It was nice because everything's kind of ready, so it doesn't take long for them to bring your dishes up to you.
Authentic too, they serve only traditional Swahili food. Really enjoyed it.
Yeah, perfect. Would recommend and would happily go there and eat again.
100% the place to come on your visit to Zanzibar, don't miss it. So total amount for the whole food, I think 7 dishes and water, 57,500, which is around £16 or $20. 2 people, very full now. Gonna walk back to the hotel, maybe have a little snooze, a mini snooze, and do some more food tour eating later. One more thing, we're in just the end of the rainy season, so peak season, the guy said all the tables are full and they're queuing outside, waiting. I can see why. The food's amazing. Chili sauce, just to let you know, kind of catching up on me now, really spicy, so if you take some, be very careful. Leave a link in the description box below to all our other Tanzania videos. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.